Getting started with Bron is fast, simple, and secure. Head to bron.org and click Get Started. Download the app directly to your mobile phone or continue with the desktop version. Bron recommends having both, so if you lose your device, you can access from another without going through the recovery process. Sign up on mobile first. Your passkey will automatically be saved in the right place. Then download the app for Mac or Windows. Once installed, open the app and select Get Started. Choose how you'd like to sign up. With Google, Apple, or your own email. You'll receive an email invitation to join Bron. Don't forget to check your spam if you don't find it in your inbox. Hit Join now and you'll be prompted to open the app, review, and accept the wallet terms. Give your first workspace a name. Make sure your passkey is saved in your Passwords app, not in the browser. Choose your unique Bron tag. This is what other users will use to send you crypto, so you never have to share a long address. Confirm by approving Crypt as your trusted third party. That's it. Your Bron account is created in seconds. Your crypto is protected the same way the largest institutions do it, and you are ready to operate. Bron, built for a new era.